What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs, and how they can help you in your fitness goals. As you may know, amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and there are two types: essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Now, BCAAs are a specific group of 3 of the essential amino acids: isoleucine, leucine, and valine. BCAAs are popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts for their ability to promote muscle growth and recovery, reduce soreness, and improve exercise performance. Here are some of the benefits of BCAAs. Helps build and repair muscle tissue, aids in post-workout recovery, reduces muscle soreness and fatigue, boosts energy and endurance, enhances mental focus and performance. BCAA supplements come in many different forms, such as powders, capsules, or ready-to-drink formulas. It's recommended to take 5 to 10 grams of BCAAs before or during a workout to maximize their benefit. However, keep in mind that supplements like BCAAs shouldn't replace a balanced diet or adequate protein intake. So if you're looking for an extra boost in your workouts and recovery, consider adding a BCAA supplement to your routine. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe for more fitness and nutrition content.